Hey guys, what's up? I'm here in the lush green grass. We're in Kingston City, Jamaica, making a delivery. As you can see, the evening is coming down. The place is nice and calm. Camera lady, I fix up our camera nice and calmly. Our face has screwed up, so we don't know what it means. And our eyes are open wide. But guys, I can tell you this though. You don't have to worry yourself. If you have items to be sent to Jamaica, you buy them online, or maybe you have them in your hand, you can still send them to your mailbox, and we're going to ship those items to Jamaica for you. We're going to deal with the hassle of going through customs, and we're going to do something special. One further step, we're going to get those packages delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica. Alright? So if you are inside and you get a phone call like the package is here, remember that there might be a guy sitting in the grass, the lovely grass, talking. Alright? Guys, there's a link. Click the link. Join us today. Follow me. We're going to get the items shipped from overseas and delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica.